I'ma give it to our girls. 5 million and 40 naughty shorty. Baby girl, I'm a girl.
But you can use this flotation device. What they say, they floating, they can be hating. Put both feet. If you put both feet, we'll give you a big bag of seeds. See, damn it, man. See, premium from Costco. No, I have to contemplate. I have to consider. Ooh, I'm aquaphobic, man. Costco. Why do I have to be aquaphobic? Flotation device.
Few moments later.
I told you you can trust me. Who do you trust then? Me, man. I trust me. What? Hey, wait. I lifted it. Yeah, you lifted it. But why? There's no specific reason. And I just float. Excuse me.